Are you worried about shipping your prized vehicle across the country or overseas? Imagine the stress of damage, delays, or hidden fees. Discover a better way with AutoStar Transport Express. We understand your concerns about damage during transit, delays and lost time, hidden fees and surprise costs, lack of communication and transparency, safety concerns for high-value or sentimental vehicles. At AutoStar Transport Express, we ship luxury or exotic cars, race cars, motorcycles, classic or vintage cars, vans, oversized vehicles, ATV and UTV, trucks, RVs, jet skis, golf carts, forklifts, inoperable vehicles, boats, SUVs. Every vehicle is unique, and we've got the expertise to handle them all. Our dedicated experts will guide you through the process, ensuring a seamless vehicle shipping experience. Protect your vehicle with AutoStar Transport Express's secure and reliable shipping. Get a free quote today and experience the difference.